Have you ever been in a conversation and thought, what did they just say? Or watch a French video and barely caught a few words? You're not alone. Most learners know French words when they see them, but the moment someone says those words, it's just too fast. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. The problem isn't you. It's how your ears have been trained or not trained yet. That's exactly why I have created a free 7-day French listening challenge. In just 1 week, you will train your ears to actually catch words, understand real spoken French, and stop feeling lost in conversations. Most people try to improve by watching videos or listening to podcasts, hoping French will magically click. But passive listening doesn't work. And subtitles? They are just a crutch. To understand real French, you need focused training. That's exactly what this challenge gives you, step by step, day by day, until French finally sounds clear. Here's how the challenge works. You'll get daily listening practice with real conversations, step-by-step training so you know exactly what to do, transcripts and translations to check your understanding, cheat sheets and progress tracker to stay on track and motivated. And the best part? It's completely free right here on YouTube. The challenge starts on March 10th. And all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. Want to get even more out of this challenge? Join the waitlist using the link in the description. You will get exclusive bonuses to jumpstart your progress before the challenge even begins. This challenge is perfect if you know French words but can catch them when spoken. Native speakers sound too fast for you to keep up. You've tried listening to French content, but nothing seems to work. 1 week from now, you'll wish you had started today. So don't wait. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the waitlist for your exclusive bonuses. Let's finally fix your French listening struggles together.